Hello friends, today I am going to start C programming languages. I would try to cover all the points regarding language C. Let us start with structure of C and its explanation. First of all, you have to write hash, include, angle bracket, start within angle bracket. You have to write stdio.h, a new line, again hash, include, con io.h, then void main parenthesis start brass and end brass between main part we have to write print f, and here we go with terminator. Let me explain what is this and why we have written this. So Turbo C provides commenting. Whenever you code for your uh, convenience, you can write comment which compiler will not read. So there is two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. For single line comment, you have to start with double slash. Whatever written after double slash, it will not read by compiler. The multi-line comment start with slash start, then and end with star slash. Between this, you can write anything, paragraph, whatever. Single line comment, let us write heading of our first project is a hello world program. Okay. For first we are writing hash, then include. What we need to include is the header file. The first header file is stdio. That means standard input output. For input output, this window based input output functions belongs to stdio header files. These header files are very useful. They contains different functions that will help us to direct use it. Then con IO, that means console input output. H means it indicates header file. It is extension of header file. Main, whenever you start the project and whenever compiler start reading, it starts from main. In your code, whenever it finds main, it will execute the functions between opening brass and closing brass of main. Other than this, it will not read. And this is called preprocessor command. Okay. Now semicolon. This is terminator. Every line should terminate with terminator. It indicates there is line ends. Printf. Printf function used to print the data. It's called print function. And the parenthesis including double quote, it is called parameters. We used to write arguments. We used to write details. So here we have explanation of our code. We have included two header files, stdio, con.io header file, then main parts when it will start reading, and the printf what we want to print would be between two quotes. So here we start writing hello world. Okay, so now we have to compile the project. To compile the project, we have to press Alt F9. It will compile the project and give us the warning if there will be any. Press any key. Compiler will do, it will start reading from main and read one by one line of the project. Then Control F9 to run the project. It will run and output the data. To see the output, let me first correct. To see the output, you have to run Alt F5. You can see the first compiled output. Now I did the change. To see the change, let me again run the project with Ctrl F9. Now let's again see the Alt F5 with, you can see the changes here. Console appends the data, it is not clear the data. To clear the data, there is also one function with which you can always get a new window with clear data. We will check this in our next session. We will check escape sequence and data types in our next session. Please keep watching our video to learn, see step by step. Thank you.